Hi students, welcome back. Last class we saw about the basics of texturing and how to unwrap the basic polygon primitives into your UV editor, stitch the UVs and apply the texture for a box. Okay, so with regard to polygons, what I would plan of doing is I miss some topics or some small tools which would help you to speed up your modeling more. So I thought of updating it then and there. So today's class would be like updating your basic modeling skills. Okay, the shortcuts as such. Okay. For example, imagine I'm having a cube like this. So if you want to apply an uniform uh, edge loop for all the sides, okay, so what to do? So normally this is what I have been doing to you. So I go to insert edge loop tool, I insert edge loops like this, so which is not uniform, right? So there are chances the distance would be different. So being a small object, it's fine, but if you're having a very complex kind of object, it's going to be very tedious. So I'm pressing 3, so you get your smoothness. So this is not the right way of doing it. So what I would do here is I'll tell you the another way. So nothing has been done. Yes, yeah. So go to the edge. I select all the edges. So just press Control. Sorry. So when you press Shift, you get these kind of shortcuts. So in right now we are in the object mode. So just press Shift. Right click your mouse. You get these kind of options. So first we'll go to the edge. We'll select all the edges. Press Shift. So we'll go to the option for bevel edges. Okay. So when you press bevel edges, you get an option box here. So the fraction is nothing but it defines the amount of gap that is required in order. It's an interactive kind of tool. So the fraction defines how much amount of distance you need to apply the edge loop. Okay. So the only thing here is whatever kind of we selected all the sides. So Maya will apply edge loops or the bevels on all the sides. Okay, uniformly. So if you want bevel on only one side, if you only select one edge, it will be applied on only for one side. So you can also define the number of segments that Maya can use in order to create the detail. Okay, so you can just apply 1, 2, it would be like ideal. So you get 3, this is fine. Okay, not 3, 2 is fine. 2 sides on all, 2 on all sides. So this would give you a very good smooth effect. 0.2. Okay, so go to my object mode, just press 3, and be smooth and soft and it's uniform. Okay, so I think I did not tell you this, and I was not speaking more about the bevel option. Okay, so that's the reason I wanted to inform you guys about the bevel. So this is the use of it. Okay, this is my object mode. So this is the basic of it. So now what I'm going to tell you. So the next option. So for example, imagine I'm taking a cylinder. So if I want to select the top face, okay, this area. So normally what we used to do here is go to face, select all, just press shift, click here, this would be selected. Okay, so again it's your personal preference, like how you are selecting objects. So it's not a defined way that this is what you need to do. So I'm here to like just give you some insights into what are the various possibilities. So now I'm going to go to my vertex, select this vertex. Okay, just go here, shift, okay. Select this two vertex, just press Control F11. Okay. Pressing Control F11 will help you to uh, select the polygon of that particular vertex. Okay, it becomes so easier. I'll do it to you again. I'm just gonna select the go to the vertex, click vertex, press Alt, just press Shift, click on this. Now what I'm gonna press Control F11. Okay, shortcut. It will select the whole polygon for me. So like just delete it. Work becomes easier. Yeah. So these are some of the very basic kind of tools which I had forgotten to tell you people in your previous classes. So just wanted to update it to you. So in today's class, what I'm planning to teach you is to make stairs for our house. So we were creating the interior house, the table, chairs, sofas, and the dining sets. So what I thought was, why can't we create innovative kind of stairs for our house? Okay, so this is what we are planning to do it. So and until this time we were working on creating these kind of aesthetical elements which are of various size and proportions, but with regard to these kind of stairs, we need to take care that the shape, the size, the distance between each object that is placed and the angle at which this is rotated is uniform, so that you get very kind of precise kind of outputs. And this is another kind of stairs. This is a straight one, but still this stair is placed at equidistant. Okay, so what we are planning to do today is we'll try to recreate this. Like we'll see whether we are able to do it. So let's start off with our class. So first start with this. Okay, just press F. Maya is bigger, so make it smaller, or I'll make Maya bigger, make this one smaller. Okay, just zooming it in so that to have the details. Okay, so what I will do, create a cube, scale it, okay, squeeze it, extend it a bit, just press F. Yes, this is what I want. So now what I would do right now is I'm getting an extension here, right? If I want, I can decrease the thickness, which is fine. I'll go to the side view, just press C whether it's on the floor. Yes, it's on the floor. Okay. So first one, sorry. What I need to do is have an edge loop so that I'm getting this one down. Edit mesh, edge loop tool. Okay, done. So I'm gonna go to my face, click on this. So what I'm gonna do, edit mesh, where is extrude? Extrude. Click on this, bring it down slightly, which is, I think, this. Okay, slightly a little bit. Okay. So go to the object mode, stop it. So I'm not making the exact steps, but I think this will help me to teach you people how to do it. So this is the steps which I have created. So now what I'm planning to do right now, I'll explain it to you. So I need some multiple copies of this object. For example, I'm just duplicating Control D. My object, sorry, first I will delete this copy. So once this is done, I'll go to like modify freeze transformation so that everything becomes 0. Okay. So when I'm making a duplicate, Control D, my object needs to go up a little bit. So see the value with which it's going up. It's something around 0.5. So my object 0.5 in y axis, and my object needs to go forward also. Okay, something around 1.5. So okay, so this can be minus 1.5. I'm not working with values, I'm just showing you guys. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So translate y is like 0.75, which is okay. So you'll see in the top view, it's aligned properly, everything is proper. Okay, so right now what I've done is I've arrayed at a value. So I need to have an increment of minus 1.5 along x-axis and 0.75 in the y-axis. Just make it in a notepad so that it's easy for us to remember. X is equal to minus 1.5. So it's not mandatory. I'm very bad at my values. That's the reason I'm making a note of it. Y is equal to 0.75. Okay. So now I can close my eyes. I have my notepad. So click on the object. So now what you need to do? Okay, create, edit. You have an option called as duplicate special. Okay. Just click on the option here. So what you can do is you can create multiple copies. So you can define the number of copies like 10 or 15 whatsoever. So just click, I'm typing 15. So this is the first one is value of x, this is value of y and value of z. Okay. So what we'll do is reset, everything will be in this. So number of copies would be like 15. So translate x is equal to minus 1.5. Okay. So again translate y would be 0.75. Okay, for each object. Just press duplicate special. Can you see? Steps is ready. So simple. So the only work what you need to do is work on the rail system. Okay, just press E. No, just press R. The supporting pillar, just press E. Hope you are able to understand what I'm telling. Still not placed it properly, but it's like almost there. Okay, so the stairs for you. So here, if you want to add more detail, what's happening here is you are having some extrudes here. So you have an extrude here. So what you need to do is you need to add edge loops and start extruding it. So only that work is only pending. Apart from it, I think this one is done. Okay. So in the same way, what I would suggest you to do here is, let's see how this kind of stairs can be done. Okay, fine. So what I'll do, select this, put it inside a new layer. Okay, add selected display. Okay, so again, same way. Decrease the thickness, just press F. Okay, so this will go here to the side, one side. Okay, 4. Yeah, exact dead center. This will be this side. Okay. Okay, so what I'll do, edit, freeze transformation. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna create a duplicate, Control D, take it up. Okay, so what's gonna happen is just gonna press insert. Okay, where is my insert? The PC, I need to search it, please. Okay, function insert. Yeah. So this is the place from where my rotation is gonna take place. Hope you people would have remembered it. Just press E. Okay. Okay. So my object is gonna have a rotation of, for example, so I think this one is like very narrow for the steps. Okay, now this is better. So what I'll do, function delete. So I'll keep the edge here itself. Function delete. Okay. Yeah. So modify freeze transformation, pressing a duplicate, taking it up. This will do here is have a rotation here. Not so much, little bit. Okay, this is fine. So this will be like translate y would be 0.5, rotation would be minus 15 degrees. Okay, so you have a rotation that's happening here. Translate y is 0.5. Rotation and y minus 15. Okay, so let's see how it works. Click on this, edit, duplicate, special. So edit, reset. So translate y would be 0.5. So move, rotate would be minus 15. I would like to have 10 copies. Okay, duplicate special. So the height is not working. So I'm increasing the height. Let's see whether it's working. So this will select one. So it's special. Again, it's not a fixed value which we are working. So let's see. I want something around 15 copies. Okay. Yeah. So now what I will do, I'll go to my top view. Can you see a cylinder has been created? So I'll create a cylinder. So I just will make it bigger. What gets over. See how easy my work is done. You will know that this has been fixed here very specifically for this one. Okay. So it's as simple as that. So what I would suggest you to try doing in tomorrow's class is I'll give you the samples. So you can try creating these things and submit it. So this stairs with this support, okay, with this detail. So next one would be this one, okay. So these stairs. If you want to practice texturing and lighting, you can also try doing this whole scene because you don't have much elements. This will also help you to apply textures and render your shot. Okay. So what I want for tomorrow's classes, create the steel platform, uh, apply this wood stairs, this railing, and send me a render. Texture it and send it. So same way for this also. So in a plain room, I don't want these kind of elements. Next class we will see about how to create these kind of curtains. So what I would we have also created these kind of elements for our test. We have created sofas. So we are basically creating all the elements for your interior house as such. So tomorrow, what I would want you to do is create the stairs like a spiral with all the elements. So we'll go one by one, guys. Any doubts? Do let me know. Thank you.